Hi everyone, welcome back to GVP. I am Prakhar as your guide. Today we will be discussing most important MCQ for 9th of January 2022 which are related to the current affairs. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Question number first. Where was India's first open rock museum inaugurated? So the answer of this question is option B, Hyderabad. It was inaugurated by the Union Minister of State of Science and Technology and Earth Science Dr. Jitendra Singh. He also addresses scientists working in CSIR National Geographical Research Institute. The Open Rock Museum will educate and enlighten people about several lesser known facts. Around 35 different types of rocks from various parts of India will be displayed. The displayed rocks are 3.3 billion years to around 55 million years of the Earth's history, which are mostly from Odisha, Uttarakhand, Tamil Nadu, Jammu Kashmir, Jharkhand, and others. So, the second question is, who has become the first Indian to qualify for two different events of the held Winter Olympics in Beijing? So the correct answer of this question is option B, Arif Khan. Jammu Kashmir based alpine skier Arif Khan has become the first Indian athlete to qualify for the two different events of the Winter Olympics set to be held in Beijing from February 4. Question number 3. Which country has launched a 5-year plan to become the center of the world robotics innovation? So the correct answer of this option is option B, China. China has announced a 5-year roadmap to achieve its goal of becoming a global robotics innovation hub by the year 2025. China Ministry of Industry and Informatics Technology revealed operating income from the country's robotic industry is expected to grow by around 20% per year between 2021 to 2025. Question number 4. Education Minister Dharmendra Prasad launched a nationwide 100 days reading campaign. What is the name of this campaign? So correct answer of this question is option number C, Padhi Bharat. Education Minister Dharmendra Prasad launched a nationwide 100-day reading campaign, Padhi Bharat. The launch campaign is in alignment with the National Education Policy 2020, which emphasizes promoting the joyful reading culture for children by ensuring the availability of age-appropriate reading books. Now, the last question is, which state government has renamed Jawaharlal Nehru Road as Narendra Modi Marg? The correct answer of this question is option B, Sikkim. Governor of Sikkim, Ganga Prasad, has named a new road Narendra Modi Marg. This is an alternative to Jawaharlal Nehru Marg. It will be easier for Indian tourists to reach Natelu border. The stretch constructed by Border Roads Organization has reduced the distance between Gontok and Samko Lake by 15 kilometers. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this session. These were the important news and events for today. Let's meet again with some more important current affairs. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe GBP.